Welcome to the Phoenix Hunter channel. Today is May 12th, 2023. So today is a weekend and we'll wrap up the market and we'll summarize our trades. So I saw this message, sell in May and go away. So this is a theory in US markets. But I'm not sure whether this theory will work in this year or not. So already one third of the time is over in the month of May. We'll see. But in these 2 weeks, right, in the month of May, we just see only two red candles. I'm just checking in the weekly. Small red candles, right? Nothing impact. So I don't know, is this really workout in 2023? But I like, yes, still we have a two-third of the time. I like this two-third majority. It's a very clear win, right? So I'm just waiting how it will finish in the next few weeks. Okay, we will discuss. Okay, but with this small, right? Nobody is going away. Markets are not going away, and even this is not good for bulls and as well as for the bears also. You cannot take any kind of a decision with this kind of very choppy environment. Okay, we will discuss and come to our weekly summary. As usual, we got a red, but almost kind of a neutral. In the last 1 week. You know, right? The last week we are red around at 1.91% in our whole portfolio, and then this week is almost 0.39 percentage minus. Okay, so these are all my overall summary, and I took two trades. In this week, and last week I closed this UVIX, and then this week actually I applied the stop loss actually for the UNG trade, because I didn't like the market comes down after filling this gap. So that is the reason actually after this gap the market came down, but I didn't like that. So that is the reason actually I put the stop loss actually in this spot. But yes, it hit here, and market went up. So let us see. Even I'm 50-50 here. It may go up. If it goes down, yes, I will jump again with BOIL, right? The stock ticker. So I will buy once again. This is actually a loss transaction, and the second one is this one, ZSL. That is the short of the silver. I got just 80%, 8%. Okay, profit, and this is a very minor position. And these one positions, right? So these are all my old portfolio, legacy portfolio, means that is before starting this YouTube channel. And yes, I closed this one. I think I can keep today's date here. And this is actually, yes, 20%, 7% loss. But actually this loss is very significant because it was around 8 to 10% in my portfolio, but this short of silver, right? So that is just hardly 1 or 2%. So ultimately, overall, it's a loss for this week. Okay, that is the updates. And if you go here, I think I covered these two, and I covered these one, and come to here, and yes, last week minus 1.91, and this week minus 0.39, and we will see how it goes. Okay. Um, and the remaining is this one. What the last week my model is showing this, and this week, yes, there is nothing special. This divergence is there. So as long as uh, it is showing as a divergence, bearish divergence, I will stick with my SQQ position. So around I have 50% in my portfolio, and BITA also there. We'll discuss. And if you see the markets, if you go to this 1 hour chart, last week I kept this is my critical level. So as long as the market doesn't cross this level, right? So I'm bullish. Means I don't trade anything. So once the market goes up because of this risk management, I don't. If I take short positions only if these gaps will fill. Otherwise, I'm comfortable with my positions. If this drops this critical level, yes, definitely I can see, yes, there is a downtrend started. But actually, as long as DXY is going up, so I can feel that markets go down. Okay, so this market is going as per expected. So I think I will move these to here, and then um, this is my preferred path actually. Okay, and so as long as the market goes up, yes, the stock market should come down. But this slow, choppy environment I didn't like actually. If it is really this wave completed, the wave 3 should be very sharp and quick, right? But very strong. But I cannot see that much strength in the current market. And even if you see this Apple position, Apple stock also, I didn't convince the last step actually. I'm okay till this fourth, right? One, two, three, four. But this fifth one, I didn't understand actually what is going on in this Apple stock. But once it reach here, this resistance, I'm happy to load my short positions. And the beauty, once I see this DXY means the dollar and this Apple chart. So this is a leading diagonal. Okay, so once it completes, okay, it has to come very sharply. Okay, so I have to see this in next week. Right, dollar is going up. That is in the wave 3, and this leading diagonal is completing in Apple and almost Nasdaq, which are also similar like this. So I'm expecting, yes, there is always chance to go up, but maximum I'm expecting this till this level. It's very small, very minor, 176 only. Right now 172. Okay, hardly some $4. But once it completes this leading diagonal, it has to come very sharply. Okay, and we'll discuss. I cannot say the long-term picture, but in the short term, means in the next 2 weeks, I think that two-third of the time of the May month, I think this quotation will deserve. So we will discuss, and I have some potential buys. We'll discuss those in our next video. Thank you.